Good day, class. This morning we are going to solve this WAEC mathematics question. The question says solve 2x squared plus 15x plus 7 equals to 0. So we are asked to use factorization method. And don't forget, in our next clip we will also solve it by quadratic method and or completing the square method. So let's start. Solution. So we have 2x squared plus 15x plus 7 equals to 0. Now when you have a question like this, to solve by factorization method, you will consider the coefficient of x squared, you multiply it by your constant, and it will give us something like this. 2 times 7 will give us 14. So which means we are going to use 14 here. We will now think of about two factors that when we multiply them together they will give us 14. When we add them together they will give us 15. So we are now going to use 14 times 1 equals to 14. 14 plus 1 equals to 15. So those are the two factors that we are going to use. We now have it to be 2x squared plus 14x plus x plus 7 equals to 0. So when we have it like this, we now group them into 2. So now, here now 2x squared plus 14x, they have something in common. So we bring out common factor. So the common factor here now is 2x. So 2x into 2x squared, we have x, plus 2x into 14x, we have 7. So when you are testing like this, if you want to know whether you are correct, just use the common factor to multiply the bracket. It will take you back. So plus common factor between x and 7 is 1. 1 into x, x, plus 1 into 7, 7. Everything equals to 0. Having done that, when you have the same thing inside the bracket, it shows you are correct. So that then you pick one out of it. We now have 2x, our factor. We group them together, plus 1 into x plus 7 equals to 0. So the next thing to do is we now say you equate each and every one to 0. So we now have 2x plus 1 equals to 0, comma x plus 7 equals to 0. Then the next thing is you say remove the bracket. So when you remove the bracket, it will now give us 2x plus 1 equals to 0, comma x plus 7 equals to 0. Are we together now? So now, you will now take constant to the other side. So we now have 2x equals to, this one is plus 1, it will come to minus 1, comma x equals to minus 7. So in this side now, we are having 2x and we are solving for simple x. It will now give us, we now say divide both sides by what? By 2. It will now give us 2x over 2 equals to minus 1 over 2. So then 2 we cancel 2. We now have x equals to minus 1 over 2. That's for that side. Then here now we have gotten x equals to minus 7. So you just conclude that x equals to, open bracket, minus 1 over 2, comma, minus 7. So that's the value of our x there now by using factorization method. But don't forget, just watch out for our next clip. We are going to solve the same question by quadratic formula, which is almighty formula, and we must arrive at the same answer. Also, we will use completing the square method, and we must arrive at the same answer, because we want all our candidates worldwide that want to write WAEC exam to really understand the three methods. Anyone they ask them to use in the exam, whether they are to use factorization, almighty formula, or completing the square method, so that they will know how to use it. So that is what we are going to do. So please kindly help us like it, share it, download it, and don't forget the name of our YouTube channel is A1 Online Mathematics Tutor. Kindly help us subscribe there. Bye.